This is my 12-foot jib crane for shooting kind of with elevation. Obviously this is a terrific resource to where we don't have to shoot at the same height all the time. Not only is it helpful at elevation, but for lower angled shots, it's quite the trick as well. You wouldn't think necessarily of shooting the grass with something on a 12-foot arm, but this really does make for a terrific low angle shoot. And with the balance that it provides with these counterweights, you can quickly get to elevation far above what you'd normally be able to do. This is quite the necessity, actually, for quite a lot of shoots. The idea that we can run through the grass, essentially get those shots, is just incredible. And then as well, we can get to elevation and look down at the trees, which you would never really think of that. Really a terrific tool.